Hi traders, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be having a look at some of the top 5 best IIROC regulated Forex brokers. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. The IIROC is a self-regulatory organization overseeing investment dealers and trading activities in Canada, including Forex trading. IIROC-regulated Forex brokers must adhere to strict financial and operational standards, ensuring transparency, fairness, and protection for traders. These brokers are subject to comprehensive regulations designed to protect investors, maintain market integrity, and promote fair trading practices. Forex traders using IIROC-regulated brokers can have greater confidence in the reliability, security, and regulatory oversight of their trading environment. Traders who are searching for some of the best IIROC-regulated Forex brokers can sometimes find it to be a difficult process, especially when searching for a safe, reliable, and trustworthy broker to trade with. So, in this video, we are going to be having a look at some of the top 5 best IIROC-regulated Forex brokers. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have EasyMarkets. EasyMarkets is a renowned online trading platform that offers accessible and user-friendly financial services to individuals worldwide. With a commitment to providing simplicity and convenience, EasyMarkets empowers traders of all levels to engage in various markets, including Forex, commodities, indices, and cryptocurrencies. Through its intuitive interface and comprehensive educational resources, EasyMarkets strives to make trading straightforward and profitable for its diverse clientele. The broker offers a wide array of market instruments to cater to the diverse needs of traders, from Forex currency pairs and commodities to indices and cryptocurrencies. Their platform provides access to over 200 financial assets. With competitive spreads, flexible leverage options, and innovative trading tools, EasyMarkets empowers traders to explore and trade various markets with confidence and ease. EasyMarkets offers cutting-edge trading platforms designed to meet the diverse needs of traders. Their platforms include the EasyMarkets proprietary trading platform, as well as MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and the TradingView trading platform. With their user-friendly interface and powerful features, their platforms provide seamless access to global markets. Whether you're at home or on the go, the broker's trading platforms ensures a smooth and efficient trading experience, empowering traders to stay connected and capitalize on market opportunities anytime, anywhere. EasyMarkets offers a range of trading accounts designed to accommodate the needs of traders at different experience levels. These accounts include the standard, premium, and VIP account types, along with demo and Islamic account options. Whether you're a novice or an experienced trader, EasyMarkets provides account options tailored to your preferences and trading style. With features like competitive spreads, flexible leverage options, and dedicated customer support, EasyMarkets ensures a seamless trading experience for all its clients. Additionally, each account type comes with access to a variety of trading tools and educational resources to help traders enhance their skills and stay informed about the markets. The broker provides a diverse range of educational resources tailored to suit traders of varying skill levels and interests. Their platform offers access to an extensive library of video tutorials, insightful articles, engaging webinars, informative ebooks, and interactive courses. These resources cover a wide range of topics, including trading basics, technical analysis, fundamental analysis, risk management, and trading psychology. Whether you're a beginner looking to grasp the fundamentals or an experienced investor seeking to refine your strategies, their educational material are designed to equip you with the knowledge and tools needed to succeed in the financial markets. Overall, EasyMarkets stands as a trusted online trading platform committed to providing accessible and user-friendly financial services to individuals worldwide. With a focus on simplicity, transparency, and customer satisfaction, EasyMarkets empowers traders of all levels to engage in various markets with confidence. Through its intuitive interface, comprehensive educational resources, and innovative trading tools, EasyMarkets continues to strive for excellence in delivering a seamless and rewarding trading experience for its diverse clientele. At number 4 on our list is FPMarkets. FPMarkets is a leading online trading provider, offering access to a wide range of financial instruments, including Forex, CFDs, and commodities. With a commitment to transparency, innovation, and client satisfaction, FPMarkets provides traders with cutting-edge technology, competitive pricing, and superior execution. Established in 2005, FPMarkets has grown into a globally recognized brand, serving clients in over 150 countries. Through its user-friendly platforms and comprehensive educational resources, FPMarkets empowers traders of all levels to navigate the financial markets with confidence. FPMarkets offers a range of advanced trading platforms designed to cater to the diverse needs of traders. These platforms include the MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, WebTrader, CTrader, TradingView, and the FPMarkets mobile trading application, with advanced trading tools and copy trading functionality. FPMarkets offers a range of account types tailored to meet the diverse needs of traders. These accounts include the standard and raw trading account types, with demo and Islamic account options. Regardless of the account type chosen, FPMarkets is committed to providing traders with superior execution, transparent pricing, and exceptional customer service. The broker also offers a robust suite of educational resources tailored to empower traders of all levels to navigate the financial markets confidently. Their educational hub, accessible through their website, features a diverse range of material, including articles, tutorials, videos, and webinars covering various topics such as strategies, technical analysis, risk management, and market insights. Whether traders are novices seeking foundational knowledge or seasoned professionals looking to refine their strategies, their educational resources are designed to support continuous learning and growth in the trading journey. Overall, FPMarkets stands as a trusted and innovative online trading provider, offering a comprehensive suite of services and resources to empower traders worldwide. With a commitment to transparency, excellence, and client satisfaction, FPMarkets provides access to cutting-edge technology, competitive pricing, and superior execution. Whether you are new to the world of online trading or a seasoned professional, the broker's user-friendly platforms, extensive product range, and educational resources ensures that traders have the tools and support needed to succeed in the dynamic world of financial markets. Coming in at number 3, we have HYCM. HYCM is a renowned global online trading provider that caters both to retail and institutional investors. Established in 1977, HYCM boasts a rich history in the financial industry, making it a trusted and respected name among traders worldwide. Located in London, HYCM operates under the regulatory oversight of reputable financial authorities, ensuring a secure and transparent trading environment for its clients. HYCM offers a diverse range of trading instruments, providing traders with access to various financial markets. These instruments include Forex, commodities, indices, cryptocurrencies, stocks, and ETFs. HYCM's comprehensive selection of trading instruments empowers traders to build diversified portfolios and seize opportunities across various financial markets. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and the HYCM proprietary mobile application. Their account types include fixed, classic, raw, as well as demo and Islamic account options. Each of these account types provide traders with unique features and benefits, allowing them to choose the account that aligns best with their trading goals, risk tolerance, and preferences. HYCM is also dedicated to empowering traders with knowledge and expertise through its comprehensive educational resources. Whether you're a novice or an experienced trader, HYCM offers a wealth of educational materials to enhance your trading skills, which include webinars and seminars, video tutorials, ebooks, trading guides, market analysis, as well as a variety of trading tools, such as economic calendars and calculators, to assist traders in their daily activities and risk management. With these educational resources, HYCM strives to empower traders with the skills and insights needed to navigate the financial markets successfully. Whether you are just starting your trading journey or seeking to refine your trading strategies, HYCM's educational offerings are designed to support your growth and development as a trader. At number 2 on our list is Avatrade. Avatrade, a leading online trading platform, provides individuals and institutions with access to a diverse range of financial markets. The broker offers a user-friendly interface and cutting-edge trading tools to empower traders of all levels. Whether you are interested in Forex, commodities, stocks, or cryptocurrencies, their platform is designed to meet the diverse needs of the modern investor. With a reputation for reliability and transparency, Avatrade strives to deliver a seamless trading experience, supported by educational resources and responsive customer service. Avatrade offers a variety of market instruments to trade, catering to the various needs of its clients. These include Forex currency pairs, commodities, Forex options, crypto CFDs, indices, ETFs, and bonds. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, Avatrade Options, Avatrade's Web Trader, as well as automated trading through DupliTrade and ZuluTrade. With a selection of versatile and robust trading platforms, Avatrade empowers its users to trade with confidence. Accounts are available on retail, multi-account manager, and professional accounts, with demo and Islamic account options. Avatrade's account types are structured to provide flexibility and customization, ensuring that traders of varying levels of expertise can find an account that aligns with their trading goals. The broker is dedicated to empowering traders with a wealth of educational resources as well, recognizing the importance of knowledge in successful trading. Avatrade provides a comprehensive range of educational materials suitable for traders of all levels. The platform offers informative articles, video tutorials, and webinars covering various aspects of trading, from fundamental concepts to advanced strategies. These resources are designed to enhance traders' understanding of the financial markets. Overall, Avatrade stands as a premier online trading platform, committed to providing a holistic and empowering experience for traders around the world. With a diverse range of trading instruments, user-friendly platforms, and flexible account options, Avatrade caters to the needs of both novice and experienced traders. Backed by transparency, reliability, and innovation, Avatrade invites users to explore the world of online trading with confidence. Whether you are looking to diversify your portfolio, engage in Forex trading, or delve into the exciting realm of cryptocurrencies, Avatrade offers a robust platform for traders to navigate and capitalize on global market opportunities. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best IIROC regulated Forex brokers, we have Forex.com. Forex.com, a prominent online forex trading platform, offers a wide array of tools and resources tailored to suit traders of all levels of experience. With a user-friendly interface and advanced trading technology, Forex.com provides access to a diverse range of currency pairs and competitive pricing. Whether users are seeking to diversify their investment portfolio or engage in speculative trading, Forex.com remains a trusted destination for navigating the dynamic world of forex trading. Forex.com offers a comprehensive range of market instruments designed to cater to the diverse needs of traders, from major, minor, and exotic forex currency pairs to indices, stocks, commodities, cryptocurrencies, as well as gold and silver. Forex.com provides access to a wide spectrum of trading opportunities. Traders can capitalize on global market movements with precision and flexibility, utilizing advanced trading tools and resources available on the platform. With competitive pricing and reliable execution, Forex.com ensures that traders have the tools they need to navigate the financial markets effectively. Forex.com offers a selection of advanced trading platforms designed to meet the diverse needs of traders, providing seamless access to global financial markets. Their platforms include the MetaTrader 5 trading platform, the Forex.com proprietary web and mobile platforms, as well as the TradingView trading platform. With a variety of trading platforms to choose from, Forex.com caters to traders of all levels of expertise and preferences. Forex.com offers a variety of trading account types tailored to meet the diverse needs of traders, ensuring a personalized trading experience. These account types include the standard, MetaTrader, and raw trading accounts, along with demo and Islamic account options. The broker provides options to suit every trading style. With a range of account options and features, Forex.com empowers traders to tailor their trading experience to their specific preferences and goals. Forex.com offers a wealth of educational resources designed to empower traders with the knowledge and skills needed to succeed in the financial markets. From comprehensive educational articles and tutorials covering fundamental concepts to advanced trading strategies, Forex.com provides valuable insights for traders of all levels. Additionally, the platform offers live webinars and seminars conducted by industry experts, offering real-time market analysis and trading insights. Traders can also access a wide range of trading tools and resources, including market analysis, economic calendars, and trading calculators, to enhance their trading decisions. Overall, Forex.com stands as a premier destination for traders seeking access to the dynamic world of forex trading. With its comprehensive range of market instruments, diverse selection of trading account types, advanced trading platforms, and wealth of educational resources, Forex.com is dedicated to empowering traders of all levels to achieve their financial goals. Whether traders are looking to diversify their investment portfolios, engage in speculative trading, or enhance their trading skills, Forex.com remains a trusted partner in navigating the global financial markets. And those are some of the top 5 best IIROC regulated forex brokers on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.